Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. In continuation of lectures, UV visible spectroscopy for BSc Part 2, Organic Chemistry, Paper 2, Unit 1. In lecture 4, we will calculate lambda max value theoretically. It is a Woodward-Fisher rule for calculation of lambda max values of dynes or conjugated dyne system. Actually, this value which we are going to calculate, it is just one empirical rule formulated, and after calculation, lambda max value will come close to our observed value, means practical value. Suppose we are taking 1,3-butadiene observed value, its value will come around 270, and after the calculation with the Woodward-Fisher rule, it will also come to 70. So this is the formulation empirically. R.B. Woodward in 1941 and L.M. Fisher in 1959 formulated empirical rules for calculation of lambda max value theoretically of conjugated dyne system. This predicted value is found to be close to observed value, means practical value. These rules are not applicable for cross conjugated system or aromatic system. When we will apply this rule to this system, then it will not come close to our observed value. Rules for predicting pi to pi star absorption in dyne system. So here it is in the K band. Base value for parent open chain conjugated dyne 217 nanometer, and for heteroannular dyne 214. Base value for parent homoannular dyne 253 nanometer. Increments for each alkyl group 5 nanometer, exocyclic double bond 5 nanometer, each double bond extending conjugation 30 nanometer, oxychrome OSI 0, O alkyl 6 nanometer, S alkyl 30 nanometer, halide chloride bromide 5 nanometer, N alkyl dialkyl 16 nanometer. If there is bicyclic system, then we have to add strain correction of 15 nanometer. This is the system which I have explained, acyclic or open chain, double bond in conjugation, double bond, single bond, then double. Here, double bond, conjugation double bond are in one ring system, so it is called homoannular conjugated double bond system. When double bond in different rings, heteroannular conjugated double bond system. Exo and endo double bond. Exo when it is attached to the ring like that, it is called exo. See here, this is exo, and when it is in this way, then it is called endo. Exocyclic double bond to ring A. This B ring double bond is exocyclic for ring A, this one, right? Here ring A double bond is B for B exocyclic, and B double bond is for A exocyclic double bond. Let's see some example. This is 1,3-butadiene system. Base value for conjugated dyne 217 nanometer. and its calculated observed value is also 270 nanometer. 2,4-hexadiene. See here, double bond is in conjugation, double bond, single bond, double bond. And with this system, 2 methyl group are attached, right? So it is 2,4-hexadiene. Base value for conjugated diene remains for open chain 270 nanometer. And 2 methyl groups are attached to the conjugated diene. So 2 multiplied with 5 is equal to 10 nanometer. So calculated lambda max value is 227 nanometer according to Woodward-Fisher rule, and observed value, practically observed value, is also 227 nanometer. Example 3, homoannular diene system base value, both the double bond in one ring system. So base value is 253 nanometer. Ring residue, see here, with this conjugated diene system, 1, 2, and 3. So 3 multiplied with 5 is equal to 15 nanometer. Exocyclic double bond. This double bond is exocyclic for ring B. So 1 exocyclic double bond, 5 nanometer. Calculated lambda max value 273. Observed value is close to calculated value 275 nanometer. Heteroannular diene system base value, because it is hetero, so its base value is 240 nanometer. Ring residue 1, 2, and 3. So 3 ring residue, 3 multiplied with 5, 15 nanometer. Exocyclic double bond. See here, this A ring double bond is exocyclic for ring B. So 1 exocyclic double bond, 5 nanometer. Calculated lambda max 234, and observed value 235. It is close to calculated value. Next example, see here, double bond, single bond, double conjugated double bond. It is an open chain. So base value for conjugated diene 270 nanometer. 2 alkyl and 2 ring residue. 4 multiplied with 5, 20 nanometer. 1 exocyclic double bond. See here, this double bond is exocyclic for ring. So 1 exocyclic double bond, 5. So total value lambda max is 242 nanometer, and observed value is 241. It is close to calculated value. Example 5, base value for heteroannular conjugated diene. See here, both the double bond in different rings, 240 nanometer. Ring residue 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 multiplied by 20 nanometer. Calculated lambda max value. So total will be 234 nanometer. And observed value means practically observed value is also 234 nanometer. Example 6. This is a big ring. Base value of conjugated homoannular. Here both systems are there, heteroannular and homoannular. So homoannular base value is more. So we will consider homoannular 253 nanometer. Ring residue. Ring residue where it is completed, this double bond, single bond, double bond, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 ring residue. So 4 multiplied with 5, 20. Exocyclic double bond. This double bond is exocyclic for ring A, and this double bond, B ring double bond, is exocyclic for ring C. So 2 exocyclic double bond, 10 nanometer. Extending conjugated double bond. 30 nanometer. See here, 2 and 1 is extra, so it is extending conjugated double bond. So calculated lambda max value 330 nanometer, observed value 312 nanometer. Example 7, here it is a bicyclic ring system. So base value of diene, because both the double bond are exo, so 217 nanometer, ring residue 1 and 2. So 2 multiplied with 10 nanometer, exocyclic double bond, both are exocyclic to the ring. So it is 10 nanometer bicyclic system. Due to this bicyclic system, there is correction of strain correction. So it is plus 15 nanometers. Calculated lambda max value will come 252 nanometer. Observed lambda max value 254 nanometer. Example 8. In this example, see here, homoannular diene system, single bond and double bond. So base value of homoannular 253, ring residue and alkyl group. Ring residue 1 and alkyl group, right? 1 alkyl group and ring residue 2, right? 3 and here it is 4. 4 multiplied with 5, 20 nanometers. Extending conjugated double bond. See here, double bond, single bond, double bond, 30 nanometers. So calculate lambda max value will be 303 nanometer. Example 9, homoannular diene system 253 nanometer. Base value of homoannular diene system 253 nanometer. Ring residue 1, 2 and 3, right? So 3 multiplied 5, 15 nanometer. Exocyclic double bond. This ring double bond is exocyclic for this ring. So it is 5 nanometer. Calculated value 273 nanometer and observed value will come 275. It is close to calculated value. Let's see one more example. Base value of heteroannular diene system 240 nanometer. Ring residue here 1, 2, 3. So 15 nanometer. S alkyl group. S alkyl group increment is 30 nanometer. Exocyclic double bond. This double bond is exocyclic for this ring. So it is 5 nanometer, 264 nanometer. Calculated value. Okay, this is lambda max calculation. In next lecture, I will try to explain this lambda max calculation on blackboard teaching. Thank you very much.